Have you wondered about, while working with the LINQ, IEnumerable and IQueryable, which one is faster? Have you wondered, or have you gone through such kind of a scenario? If no, then this video is for you. I have created a two method. Okay. So if we talk about initially like which one is faster, so IQueryable is faster than IEnumerable. Okay. But how? That is what I am going to explain you in this video. Okay. So this is the method which I have created. I have mentioned it as a method name slow and method name is fast. In this method name slow, I am going to implement IEnumerable. On the same database, I am going to use IQueryable in the fast. Okay. Now why I have mentioned like IEnumerable is slow. Okay. Imagine we have a 1 lakh of employee. Okay. Or more than 1 lakh. Okay. Consider we have a 1 lakh of employee. Okay. And you need employee which is having salary who is earning more than 50,000. This is the query that you have to apply. Okay. Now, while working with IEnumerable, what you can do? In IEnumerable, you will create an object of IEnumerable data underscore context dot employees context dot employees dot to list. What you are doing here means you are loading everything from the DB at initial stage. Okay. Now what next? Then we'll have to filter the record, means data dot where e equals to e dot salary greater than 50,000, because this is the query that we have to apply. Means what we are doing, applying filter condition on loaded data in memory, because the data has been, we have loaded the complete warehouse data to data variable that is in memory, and then we are applying filter condition on in memory, and then we will return the result, whatever it is, return okay result. Okay. So what we are doing, we are loading complete 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 million of record in memory, and then we are applying the filter condition. Okay. Similar to the IQueryable. Okay. I will explain you what really happens with IEnumerable and IQueryable. Okay. Now let's create a IQueryable object. IQueryable employee query, then underscore context dot employee dot where e equals to e dot salary greater than 50,000, then where result equals to query dot to list, and then we'll return the result. Okay. What we are doing here, okay, result. Okay. What we are doing here, everything filter on SQL server side and query executes here. Okay. Now what is happening in IEnumerable, what is happening in IQueryable? If we look at this example, what really happens, SQL is executed, that is select star from employees. Problem is it will load all the 1 lakh or 1 million of record into in memory. It slower the API response and it extract the CPU usage in app server. After loading the memory, then we are applying filter condition on in memory data. So if we talk about the IQueryable, if we take the same example of IQueryable, so what we are doing here is we are applying the specific query on the SQL server side. Which query? Select star from employee where salary is greater than 50,000. This query directly get applied to the SQL server side and we are getting only filtered record. And that's why you can say that IQueryable is much more faster than IEnumerable. In real analogy, bring the entire warehouse into Office and then search. That is what as IEnumerable. And for IQueryable, ask warehouse to send only required item. So this is the real-time example of why IQueryable is faster than IEnumerable. I hope you got the clear understanding about this too.